Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve initial problems that leads to algebraic terms and expressions. So we have this question: 4 into 2 raised power n plus 1 minus 2 raised power n plus 2 divided by 2 raised power n plus 1 minus 2 raised power n. So if you understand your laws of indices properly, you're going to have this to be 4 into 2 raised power n plus 1 is the same thing as saying 2 raised power n times 2 raised power 1 from the law of indices that says that a raised power m times a raised power n is the same thing as saying a raised power m plus n. So we are done with that. Minus the same thing applies to this, so this will be 2 raised power n times 2 raised power 2. Then you divide it, and from the denominator we have 2 raised power n plus 1 is the same thing as saying 2 raised power n times 2 raised power 1 minus 2n. So having done that, this will be 4 into 2 raised power n times 2 raised power 1 minus 2 raised power n times 2 raised power 2 is 4. This will be divided by, for the denominator we have 2 raised power n times 2 raised power 1 minus 2 raised power n. Okay, so having done that, we can now simplify further. For this, now if you look at this, you understand that from this part of the equation, 4 and 2 raised power n is common, and also from this part of the expression, rather, 2 raised power n times 4 is common. So we can actually, factorize at this point. So when we bring out 4 times 2 raised power n, we open our bracket. So when we bring out 4 times 2 raised power n from this part of the expression, we are going to be left with 2 raised power 1. So this will be 2 raised power 1 minus, when we take out 4 times 2 raised power n from this part of the expression, rather, we are going to be left with 1. Such that if we have to open this bracket, that is 4 times 2 into 4 times 2 raised power n into 2 raised power 1, we are going to have the whole of this. And then if we now multiply this by this, we are going to have the whole of this. So let's go to the denominator. So if you look at the denominator, what is common is 2 raised power n in this part of the expression, and in this part of the expression 2 raised to power n is also common. So we can take that out in terms of factorizing, and then if we take 2 raised power n from this part of the expression, we are going to have 2 raised power 1. So we have 2 raised power 1 minus. So if we take 2 raised power n from this part of the expression, we are going to have 1. And so our new expression becomes 4 times 2 raised power n into 2 raised power 1 is the same thing as 2. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Then divided by, for the denominator, we have 2 raised power n. 2 raised power 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. And so this is equal to, we can cancel out this. And so 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. So basically this is how to solve an initial expression of this form. Thank you.